In the magical realm of Everdream, three young friends, Aiden, Lily, and Zara, embark on an exciting quest to find the legendary rainbow dragons. These dragons are set to bring joy and color to their land. Guided by a mysterious map found in an old library, the friends journey through enchanted forests, across sparkling rivers, and over misty mountains. Each step of their journey is filled with challenges, solving riddles from talking trees, navigating through a maze of singing stones, and helping a lost phoenix find its way home. Along the way, they learn the importance of teamwork, kindness, and believing in the magic within. As they finally reach the hidden valley where the rainbow dragons reside, they discover that the dragons are in need of their help to restore the colors to Everdream, which have been stolen by a mischievous sorcerer. Together, they devise a plan to outwit the sorcerer, using their newfound friendship and courage. The story concludes with the successful return of the colors to Everdream, a grand celebration with the dragons, and the friends returning home with hearts full of adventure and memories that will last a lifetime.